Okumbereba ne kukibwaho Advocate for Youth abari kwisi hakatabo aka National High School Magazine.
Creating the opportunity for us to shine.
Advocate for Youth Uganda, a non-government organization nekoragana na Ministry of Education and Sports. Aba n'abantu bakora magazine emwe ya secondary schools omu Uganda yona. Nabwo echo team neza kuba neija nerabo mashomerego ne bi information kandi information ne yabusha. Nabwo echo the masters school council mutebekanuse abantu abo mbakire barize information ekuza kubayamba kandi kayamba n'abashomurugani amashomuruganyi bakagamanya basaba nabanyaba bakundeba abargo mahore gacenchwira omuntu nagenda kweta mukorogwe akwandikira nango abandi bongeraho ngo the guest of honor ngo the function will be presided over by Archbishop, the guest of honor will be the minister. Echo kimanyisa ngo no mukorogwa mani wareba na budget bakugira ngo mu ntebe n'entebe 10 iwono yimanya status yawe or speedy or in the office, speedy or politician, speedy or bank manager. No manyangu tokustamanyimo hato chiboriao oretan na nesati hanyeba oriza na furati ojire furati ombujinyi wo monta mukoro isati na yo wajire tubire chikaru mwana tori smart ninjirangu. It's high time we started respecting people's functions. Omuntu kara akwete omukoro bayiza wo kujwara ja mukoro wo muntu no bo guhire kitinza nyonkanjira kujwara sati nimba master of ceremony isata numa kampanya ya attacking ati want to sente zetu million nikakumana bitaho busatu bari nini ngoza kwa master of ceremony. I was humbled kuhowe na manyanga kujware kuti nawe echo kanteganisa konkrete was the fact. Abantu abamwe mazimana bizamukoro osanga umuntu ajuire frat ajuire jacket umuntu abacharo shanga ajuire kintu open open abachara mugeze mwagwisaka gwe kamba gambire mkwato burega akaregore nkarebeka uzira mukoro abishtimazi moment ninkweta nta mukoro. How do I invite you amukoro gwe wembaga yo kugitokiza nempare zize zumukushana ziti hato arahomo takashozo mwichi akamwita tizore batunoza ati nzamukora togo atunomanyo ni manyamara wa watiroko garkeyo oze kujwaraje hato it was a graduation party ni na bende MC. It was bad musho gwirijo beri yoterumwe nawecho nani ntenka nkutura mwe batweta amukoro bantumwe omukoro gwo muntu tuguteke mu kitinisa umuntu ushunshurije oshareje karejo kachore gitere nkaka kanje ka fashion kakona ko kwenda tinyono ore ni sharati rutabana sharati den rwanku nyone wainaka kachaina we teine birisho so umuntu ine fashion na what you fashion yo say oyize aba ashazi kubaramba kwakira you are most welcome bareke kuda utinga oine bitinisa sabiyawo konka ashongeri yakwakira togumuzemu osharoti utinze atkuriye nyuma konko yoba ryo basindike nyuma remember oinestinisa cyawe konke kinisa cyawe ekiba kusinikire enyuma ebijwaro byawe tibyagenda naki na nestinisa kandi rigende ebijwaro bukera sati kidoze kuchirama nabajwira nyingi kizinda nsirinjika 2010 na wecho anyway nikwenkubereho iwe nobereho.
Okumbereba yabane kukibwaho Advocate for Youth abaro kwisi hakatabo aka National High School Magazine.
Creating the opportunity for us to shine.